In this video, I will show with you how to make a quiz in Mentimeter. So if you want to make a quiz, follow me in this video. Log in and access your account in Mentimeter. After log in your accounts, you will see this page. From here, click a new Mentimeter, choose new quiz. As you can see here, you will redirect it to this quiz page. From this quiz page, choose blanket. This is for blanket. And then choose search from scratch, and then you have this quiz. Add multiple choice. From here you have this is for quiz multiple choice, and you have this edited page. From this question I write, for example, what is which for example which the faster animal. So friends, for this is for the quiz. So friends, this is for quiz. And the right for the option, you can choose the answer here. You can upload your image. This section for the image, as you can see here, you can add also another option from here. From this type of quiz, you have multiple words, you have scale, ranking, Q and answer, you have points, guess number, you have different. You can also set up your image. This is all for the quiz. This is multiple choice, and you can complete this quiz. This is how you can do, friends. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this